Greetings everyone. My name is Lavit Sharma and I am from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, I have gotten AIR 24 in NDA 1 2025 and I am really excited about it. My parents are really proud of it and I am grateful for this rank to Team Dreamers from Doon Dreamers Dehradun. I went to Doon Dreamers in June and I went there for 14 days. I took their SSB classes and the morning classes given by all the assessors, that is Rohit Mehra sir, Deepak Tyagi sir, Jaiswal sir, Barakoti sir, and all of the other assessors has really helped me out figure out the entire process of SSB because basically I was when I went there I was not interested in joining the NDA, but when I got there and they told me about everything that there is about the armed forces, about NDA, about the training process, whatever there is, it sparked a curiosity into me. And I basically got very enthralled by it and I really enjoyed the process. I actually got interested in joining it. And basically, after that they helped me understand the process. They told me if about the PPDTs. They gave practices about that. They told us about the psychology test and what all is there, how we are supposed to write the stories, how we are supposed to write the situations, how we can quickly think about the word association test, the SDTs. They gave us feedback about the SDTs. As for the personal interviews, there was a proper personal interview of around 1 hour, and in that interview, they basically asked questions exactly like how it is in a real interview. But the only thing that was different is that at the end, they gave us feedback as to what we can improve and what was already good in us, and of course the GTO task because there is a GTO ground for dreamers, and if you do not do GTO practice prior, I don't think it's really possible even to do the task in the actual SSB, because if you go there with a fresh mind it's really hard to come up with solutions. But if you have already done certain GTO tasks, you have built a certain mindset as to how those tasks are done. Apart from that, the evening classes given by Abhinav sir, Pragya ma'am, and all the other teachers also really helped because they gave us more and more practice about everything that is taught to us in the morning. So I would like to say that if dreamers can help someone like me who never even wanted to join the NDA get recommended and get AIR 24, I think they can definitely help you out. Thank you.